Good morning to all. Welcome to the lecture of partial differential equation. Okay. In the previous lecture, we've seen that what is the types of integrals. First one is complete integral. Second one is general integral. Third one is singular integral, and fourth one is special integrals. Okay. So today we will discuss all these integrals. Is it is all these integrals are solution of a differential equation or not? Okay, whether these all types of integrals are solution or not. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, is it the screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next lemma is there. Okay, the next point is one lemma is there. What is the lemma? Look at here. Let z is equal to f of x y a be a one parameter family, one parameter family of solutions. Okay, that is general integral. One parameter family of solution is nothing but what? The envelope of one parameter family is general solution. Okay, let z is equal to f of x y a with the one parameter family of solution of the first order partial differential equation. Okay, what is the first order partial differential equation? Which is in the form of f of x. This is the capital F. This is the small f. Okay, x, y, z, p, and q, which is equal to 0. Then show that. The envelope of one parameter family if it exists. Okay, if it exists, the envelope is a solution of the partial differential equation. Okay, the or statement is the one parameter family, envelope of one parameter family is nothing but what? General integral. We have to show that the general integral is also solution of partial differential equation. Okay, we have to show that the general integral is also solution of partial differential equation. What is the general integral? The envelope of one parameter family, if it exists, is also a solution of the PDE. Okay, now look at the proof. Consider the first order partial differential equation is given by f of x, y, z, p, and q, where the independent variable x and y and z is dependent on x and y. Okay, which is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 1. Then the one parameter family of solution of equation 1 is given by z is equal to capital F, x, y, and a. Okay, here the only one constant is present, a, hence z is equal to f of x, y, a is the one parameter family of solution of equation 1. So this is the partial differential equation, and solution of this equation 1 is nothing but z is equal to capital of x, y, a. Okay, so give it as an equation number 2. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now we have to find the envelope of 2. The envelope of equation 2. Okay, for this, finding the envelope of equation 2, we have to differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to a. Okay, in the previous lecture we seen that how to find the one parameter family, envelope of one parameter family of equation is formed by differentiate with respect to a. Okay, जनरल सोल्युशन मध्ये पाहिले की वन एनवलप ऑफ वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली कसं काढतो आपण, डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए. ओके, आधी काय करायचं, डिफरन्शिएट इक्वेशन 2 partially with respect to a. We get dou z by dou a, which is nothing but 0. Okay, so differentiate f with respect to a is nothing but fa of x, y, and a. Give it as an equation number 3. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now we know that the envelope of one parameter family of solution of equation 2 is obtained by eliminating a from equation 2 and 3. Okay, sorry, between equation 2 and 3, this equation, by using 2 and 3 we eliminate if a, the parameter a, then the equation is called as envelope of one parameter family of solution. Okay, let the envelope is given by z is equal to f of capital F of x, y, and eliminating a. So a is the function of xy. Okay, a ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार, काहीतरी फंक्शन येणार x आणि y मध्ये. Okay, so this is the envelope of one parameter family of solution, which is nothing but, assume, say this g of xy. Okay, okay, अशा प्रत्येक वेळेस हे एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवत चाल. Look at here. Wait a minute. इथे वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली ऑफ काय येणार, कर्व्स. इथे सगळे सिलेंडर आहेत. वन पॅरामीटर एनवलप ऑफ वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली काय येणार, दिस इज दी सिलेंडर. कसं काढलो आपण, ओके, झेड इज इक्वल टू काय आला, इथे ए आला होता. ओके, ओके, वन पॅरामीटर एनवलप ऑफ वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली काय येतो इथे, सिलेंडर. ओके, so here we get the the envelope is given by z is equal to f of x y and eliminating a eliminate केल्यानंतर काय येतो का eliminate करतो म्हणजे काय येतो a ची काहीतरी व्हॅल्यू ठेवतो तुझं हो की नाही a is the function of xy so this is z is equal to f of xy a of xy which is nothing but we say that for this f we g of xy okay where a of xy is obtained by solving equation 3 for a in terms of xy in terms of x and y okay by solving this equation in terms of xy we get a is the function of xy okay now to prove that the equation 4 now we have to prove that this envelope is also solution of given partial differential equation for this to prove that the envelope of envelope 4 is also solution of equation 1 what is equation 1 the first order partial differential equation now for this we have to differentiate equation 4 partially with respect to x and y then we get dou z by dou x here look at here dou z by dou x which is nothing but p okay and g of xy partially differentiate with respect to x so here we get gx of xy which is equal to f is the function of x so here f x of x comma y comma a of xy plus again we have to f is the function of a and a is the function of x so first we have to differentiate with respect to a then we have to differentiate with respect to x so here fa of xy into a of and a of xy but differentiate with respect to a into a with respect to x is ax okay any doubt any doubt at Kajar?
Nice, sir.
So it implies that p is equal to gx of xy what is the value of fa this one is from equation 3 fa is 0 so here we get equal to fx of xy and a of xy plus 0 from equation 3 okay which implies p is equal to gx of xy which is nothing but capital F of fx xy a of xy okay similarly for differentiate with respect to y then okay similarly we get for y q is equal to dou z by dou y is nothing but q so gy of xy which get f of fy of xy a of xy in plus f is the function of a and a is the function of y hence we get here fa of xy a of xy into ay of xy okay here ax of xy okay hence what is the value of fa it's 0 hence here we get q is equal to gy of xy is equal to only fy of xy a of xy. Okay, hence we get, this shows that what is the value of p here, dou z by dou x, which is nothing but the function f fx of xy and a of xy. And what is the value of q, which is equal to fy of xy a of xy. This shows that this shows that the envelope will also have the same partial differential equation, sorry, same partial derivative, same partial derivative as those of members of family of solution. Since here we get p is equal to what, fx, and q is equal to what, fy, satisfies the first order partial differential equation 1. Okay, so this p is equal to fx and q is equal to fy. What it shows that? This shows that the envelope will also have the same partial derivative. म्हणजे काय, आपण हा envelope काढलाय, हा partial derivative कोणाचा काढलाय आपण, envelope चा काढलाय. So here we get p is equal to what, fx of xy a of xy, and q is equal to fy of xy a of xy. Here we get. Okay, ह्याचे पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि जे काही सोल्युशन आहेत त्या एनव्हलपचे जे मेंबर्स असतील त्यांचेही सोल्युशन आणि त्यांचे पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढल्यानंतर काय मिळतात आपल्याला, सेम मिळत आहेत. ओके, इथे हा तुमचा काय वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली ऑफ सोल्युशन आहे. म्हणजे ह्या त्या एनव्हलपचे काय मेंबर्स आहेत, एनव्हलपचे मेंबर कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये असतील, या फॉर्म मध्ये असतील. तर त्याला पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह केलं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू काय येणार, p इज इक्वल टू fx ऑफ एक्स वाय अँड a ऑफ एक्स वाय. ओके, आणि q काय येणार, fy ऑफ एक्स वाय a ऑफ एक्स वाय. ओके, ह्या पी क्यू ची व्हॅल्यू आणि एनव्हलपच्या पी क्यू ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते, ते इक्वल येते. Okay, so this shows that the envelope will also the solution. That is, this p fx, p is equal to fx and q is equal to fy satisfies the first order partial differential equation 1. Okay, that implies p is equal to gx and q is equal to gy also satisfies the first order partial differential equation 1. Okay, it implies that the envelope of one parameter family of solutions is also solution. Okay, that is, the general integral is also solution of partial differential equation. Okay, any doubt? काही डाऊट आहेत का?
No, sir.
The next dilemma. Prove that singular integral is also a solution. It's also solution. Okay, now look at the proof. Let f small f, okay, this is small f of x, y, z, p and q, which is equal to 0, be the first order partial differential equation. First order partial differential equation. Give it as an equation number 1. And z is equal to f of capital F, okay, x, y, a and b. Be the one parameter or two parameter?
Sir, two parameter.
Okay, two parameter family. Okay, two parameter family of solution of equation 1. Okay, we will show that the envelope of these two exist. First we have to prove that what is the singular integral. Singular integral म्हणजे काय? Envelope of two parameter family. ओके, आधी ते एक्झिस्ट होते आहे आपल्याला दाखवायचं आहे, मग ते आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं की ती द एनवलप विल ऑल्सो हॅव द एनवलप इज ऑल्सो सोल्युशन. ओके, नाउ we will show that the envelope of these two parameter family, if it exists, is also a solution. Okay, if exist, then it also the solution of equation 1. Okay, now we know that how to find the two parameter family of solution. Sorry, two parameter family. Okay, how to find the two parameter family? We know that how to find the envelope of two parameter family. An envelope is obtained by eliminating A and B between Z is equal to f of x, y, a and b. Okay, give it as equation number 2. The envelope is obtained by eliminating a and b. Okay, from this, what is this? This is the complete integral, na? Okay, so how to eliminate a and b? To differentiate partially with respect to a and b. So here we get 0 is equal to fa of x, y, a and b. Give it as equation number 3. And partially differentiate with respect to b. Here we get f of 0 fb of x, y, a and b. Give it as an equation number 4. Then, therefore, the envelope will be given by z, which is equal to g of xy is the function of xy, say, which is equal to f of x, y. A is the function of what? Xy. And b is the function of xy. Okay. So eliminating from equation 2, a and b. Here we get a is the function of xy and b is the function of xy. So this is the envelope of two parameter family of curves. Okay, two parameter family of solutions. Give it as an equation number 5. Okay. Now by equation 3 and 4 solving for AB. Okay, now equation solve equation 3 and 4 for small a and small b. Okay, in terms of x and y. Okay, for this differentiate by 5, differentiate 5 partially with respect to x and y, we get, okay, b is equal to gx of xy, which is equal to f is the function of x plus f is the function of a and a is the function of x. Okay, plus f is the function of b, then b is the function of x. So this is the differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate with respect to y. Before solve this, p is equal to gx of xy. What is the fa and fa? Fb 0. So it is equal to fx plus 0 plus 0 from equation number 3 and 4. Okay, here fa and fb की value कितने 0 0. So it is equal to fx. Similarly, we get q is equal to gy of xy, which is equal to fy of f is the function of a and a is the function of y, plus f is the function of b into b is the function of y, which is equal to q is equal to gy of xy, which is equal to sorry, this is 0 and fb is 0 and fa is 0. So here we get only fy. Okay, so this shows that this shows that the envelope will have the same partial derivative, the same partial derivative as those of members of family of solution. Okay, as a two parameter family, a two parameter family of solution is a complete integral of equation 1. Hence we have what we have, p is equal to fx, which is equal to gx of xy, and q is equal to gy, which is equal to gy of xy, gy of xy, which is equal to fy, also satisfies the partial differential equation, first order partial differential equation 1. Okay, so this proves that the envelope of the envelope of two parameter family, the envelope of two parameter family of solution of equation 1 is also solution. Okay, solution of equation 1. That is, the singular integral is also solution. Okay, any doubt? Okay, हा तुमचा काय कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल. व्हॉट इज दिस? दिस इज द कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल. याचा एनवलप घेतल्यानंतर काय येणार तुमचा सिंग्युलर इंटिग्रल. ह्याला विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स हे करा, काय येणार पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इंटिग्रल काय येणार इथे. हा तुमचा सोल्युशन आधीपासूनच आहे. ओके, 2 पॅरामीटर फॅमिली आहे तुमची सोल्युशन ऑफ इक्वेशन. ह्याचा एनवलप आपल्याला काय दाखवायचं आहे, सोल्युशन दाखवायचं आहे. ओके, सो काय येणार इथे p इज इक्वल टू fx and q इज इक्वल टू काय येणार fy. ह्याचे पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्स सोल्युशनचे आणि एनवलपचे पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्स काय आले, इक्वल आले. Hence, the envelope will also the solution of given partial differential equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
एक एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं, एक्झाम्पल घेऊन मग लेमा घेऊ तुम्ही. ओके, एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1. एक्झाम्पल भरपूर आहेत, मी तुम्हाला देईन, ते सॉल्व्ह करा. सगळे एक्झाम्पल घेणे शक्य नाहीये. ओके, शो दॅट x minus a bracket square plus y minus b bracket square plus z square is equal to 1 is a complete integral of this equation. Z square into 1 plus b square plus q square, which is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the complete integral of this one, this differential equation, partial differential equation. By taking b is equal to 2a, show that the envelope of the subfamily is y minus 2x bracket square plus 5z square, which is equal to 5, which is a particular solution. Okay, which is the particular solution. And show further z is equal to plus minus 1 are the singular integral. ओके, इंटिग्रल म्हणजे हे काय दाखवायचं तुम्हाला, हा एनवलप दाखवायचा आहे तुम्हाला, हा तुमचा कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल दाखवायचा आहे. ओके, and taking b is equal to 2a, the envelope of the subfamily is y minus 2x bracket square plus 5z square is equal to 5. हे दाखवायचं तुम्हाला. ओके, नाउ प्रूफ. क्वेश्चन कळालाय?
Yes, sir.
आता प्रूफ बघा व्यवस्थित. Solution. Consider the given partial differential equation. Okay, f of x, y, z, p and q, which is equal to given by what? Z square into bracket 1 plus b square plus q square. हे तुम्हाला given दिलेलं आहे minus 1, which is equal to 0. Give it as an equation number 1. So this is the given differential equation. Okay, now consider again the two parameter family z is equal to f of capital F. Okay, x, y, a and b. So this is the two parameter family of curves solution. Okay, which implies capital F x y, capital F of x, y, a and b minus z, which is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the function of x, y, z, a, b. Okay, say this is the function of g of x, y, z, a, and b, which is equal to 0. So here g of x, y, z is given that g of x, y, z, a, b is nothing but what? X minus a bracket square plus y minus b bracket square plus z square minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, any doubt up to here? टू पॅरामीटर फॅमिली काय दिले तुम्हाला? हे दिलेले आहे. ओके, कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल म्हणजे काय? टू पॅरामीटर फॅमिली ऑफ सॉल्युशन. दिस इज द गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ओके, now to prove that 2 is the complete integral of equation 1. ओके, जर आपल्याला हे इक्वेशन 2 हे जर कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल हे दाखवायचं असेल तर काय करावे लागेल? m इज द मॅट्रिक्स. त्या m मॅट्रिक्स m ची रँक किती दाखवायला लागेल? 2 दाखवायला लागेल. ओके, इथे एक कॉन्स्टंट हे दोन, तुम्हाला दोन कॉन्स्टंट दिसत आहेत म्हणून तुम्ही सहज सांगू शकता, पण काही वेळेस तुम्हाला कॉन्स्टंट ते दिसून येत नाही. ओके, नाउ टू प्रूव्ह दॅट equation 2 is complete integral of equation 1, consider the matrix. What is the matrix M? M is equal to, okay, GA GB. इथे FAFB होता, इथे GAGB येणार. ओके, FXA, that is nothing but GXA, and this is GXB, GYA, GYB. ओके, सपोज या मॅट्रिक्सची जर रँक 2 आली तर काय म्हणतो आपण? दिलेलं इंटिग्रल काय? कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल आहे. सो ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोसिजर टू प्रूव्ह दॅट द गिवन इक्वेशन, गिवन सॉल्युशन इज द कंप्लीट इंटिग्रल. टू प्रूव्ह, ओके, it's nothing but what is the GA? Kind of
2 times x minus a into minus 1.
okay, minus 2 into x minus a. What is GB? Okay, what is GX? What is GX? 2 times x minus a. Okay, now differentiate with respect to a. 2 times x minus 1. Okay, any doubt? काय डाउट आहेत का?
No, sir.
हां,
No.
सिमिलरली GXB काय येणार? ओके,
Sir, gxa is minus 2 na?
GX minus 2. पहा नीट.
gxa.
काय येणार
Sir,
GXA?
2x into minus 2a and differentiating partially with respect to a is minus 2.
Wait. GXA. Differentiate this with respect to a. So it is minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Minus 2. Now GXA is the minus. No. Is na? खालचे येणार. Wait. What is GX? This one. Okay, GXA is minus 2. Okay, this one is minus 2. GXB is 0. Okay, now GYA. GY can have 2 into y minus b. GYA 0. So this one is 0. GYB
-2.
minus
2.
2. Okay, so this is the matrix. Wait. And solve this. What is the rank of this matrix? What is the rank of this matrix? Suppose, since I have the matrix determinant -2, 0, 0, -2, which is equal to, solve this one. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, which is not equal to 0. So here I am getting the determinant, the submatrix of this matrix, okay, which has a non-zero determinant. So rank of this is matrix is, this is out of what? 2 plus 2, na?
Yes, sir.
So rank of this is matrix is what?
2.
2. Hence, the rank is, definition is na rank ची, rank of
Yes, sir. Number of non-zero rows.
नंबर ऑफ नॉन झिरो रोज नाही, ते आपण इकेलॉन फॉर्मने झालं. असा एक सब मॅट्रिक्स मिळायला पाहिजे मला, त्याचा डिटर्मिनंट नॉन झिरो पाहिजे. ओके,
Yes, sir. This is also
ओके,
definition.
इथे मला 2 + 2 चा एक मॅट्रिक्स सब मॅट्रिक्स मिळालाय हा.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ज्याची रँक किती आहे, ज्याची डिटर्मिनंट किती आहे, नॉन झिरो.
Non-zero.
Hence the rank of this matrix is 2. Is 2. Thus equation 2 is complete integral of equation 1. Okay, हे prove झालं. Now take second part. Take b is equal to 2a. Okay, then the two parameter family two reduces to one parameter family. One parameter family. Okay, which is nothing but, what is the two parameter family of curve? Z is equal to square root of x1 minus x minus a bracket square minus y minus b bracket square. Now putting the values of, असंच लिहू शकतो ना आपण, जे this one is this complete integral we can write in the form of this. Now taking b is equal to what? 2a. The two parameter family converts into one parameter family. So this is 1 minus x minus a bracket square minus y minus 2a bracket square. Okay, so this is the equation number 3. Now differentiate partially with respect to a, we get differentiate partially equation 3 with respect to a, we get 0, which is equal to 1 upon 1 upon root x काय तर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon 2 root x ना, 1 upon 2 into 1 minus x minus a bracket square minus y minus 2a bracket square into काय ना पुढे minus minus of काय ना पुढे सांगा,
2 times x minus a.
minus 2 times x minus a. माइनस माइनस प्लस होणार क्या?
सर माइनस
Yes.
हाँ काय ते सांगा.
तर 2 times y minus 2a.
Plus 2 times y minus 2a into minus 2 ना. याचा कोएफिशियंट काय आहे -2 ना. आता याचा कोएफिशियंट काय येणार इथे -1 मायनस मायनस प्लस होईल की.
Yes, sir.
वेट अ मिनिट.
2 into x minus a plus 4 into y
करेक्ट आहे
minus
का
2a.
चेक करा. इज इट करेक्ट? करेक्ट आहे का? इथं मायनस येतं. So here we get 0 is equal to, correct? 2 times minus 2 times x minus a. Coefficient of minus a is 1. Minus 1 is plus. Okay, very good. Plus 2 into y minus 2a. Coefficient of minus 2 is minus 2. Okay. Take 2 is common. Here we get in the bracket x minus a plus 2 into, sorry, minus plus minus 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 2 into y minus 2a. Okay.
Sir, minus minus it becomes plus, sir.
Today
Sir, the plus of 2 into y minus 2a.
इथं मायनस येणार ना,
अरे प्लस येते सर.
प्लस येईल ना. वेट मिनिट, y minus 2a. आधी काय येणार -2 into y minus 2a. Coefficient of 2a minus 2. Minus minus get plus. Okay, plus येणार. Okay, correct? आता करेक्ट
Yes, sir.
अपॉन 2 times 1 minus x minus a bracket square minus y minus 2a bracket square. So these two cancel. Okay. Here it implies x minus a plus 2 times.
फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस 4 सर, जे न्यूमरेटर मध्ये आहे
कॉमन
ना.
काढलंय. ओके, यातला 4 मधला एक 2 बाहेर गेला की कॉमन गेला की बाहेर.
ओके सर.
y minus 2a which is equal to 0. Take this term to the left side. So here we get x minus a plus 2 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve this one. X minus a plus 2y minus 4a is equal to 0, which implies x plus 2y minus 5a, which is equal to 0, which implies a is equal to x plus 2y upon 5. Now putting these values a in this, putting the value of a in z square is equal to 1 minus x minus a bracket square minus y minus 2a bracket square. Solve करा. ये solve करता z square is equal to 1 minus into bracket x minus this, what is the value of a, x plus 2y upon 5, this bracket square. Okay, minus y minus 2 into x plus 2y upon 5, that's a square. Okay, at last हे solve करा. हे न करता
Yes, sir.
लास्ट टर्म लिहितो. कॅल्क्युलेशन खूप मोठं आहे. ॲट लास्टला काय मिळेल मला, झेड स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 5 minus y minus 2x bracket square upon 5. हे व्हॅल्यू येईल आपल्याला. ओके, सो इट इम्प्लाइज 5z square which is equal to 5 minus y minus 2x bracket square. Okay, which implies y minus 2x bracket square plus 5z square which is equal to 5. Okay, so this is the what? The envelope of subfamily of two parameter family. Okay, so by taking b is equal to 2a, we prove that y minus 2x bracket square plus 5z square is equal to 5. This is the envelope of the subfamily. Okay, now we have to show that z is equal to plus minus 1 is the singular integral. Singular integral means what? Two parameter envelope of two parameter family. Okay, इथून काय डाऊट आहे का? ओके, हे सॉल्व करा येईल. हे 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून हे करा, इथून सिम्प्लिफाय करा, तुम्हाला मिळेल. ओके, अगेन शो that equation 2 is singular integral. Okay, equation 2 is the singular integral, sorry, complete integral. Wait a minute, not equation 2. So that plus minus z is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, we have to show that z is equal to plus minus 1 is the singular integral. Okay, so differentiate equation 2. How to find the singular integral? Differentiate partially with respect to a and b. Okay, differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to a and b. We get GA is equal to 0. It implies, here the equation is there. Okay, this one. Okay, GA of XYZ AB which is equal to 0, which implies that differentiate केल्यानंतर काय येणार with respect to A 2 times x minus a into minus 1 which is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to a. Here it is equation number 4. And gb is equal to 0, which implies 2 times y minus b into minus 1 which is equal to 0, implies y is equal to b. Okay, आता आलेत का? a आणि b is the function of x y आले. इथे एकच पॅरामीटर x and y. To give it is in equation number 5. Now eliminating a and b between 2, 4 and 5 we have. Okay, put this x is equal to a and y is equal to b in equation number 2. Yeah, equation number. And 0 plus z square minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Wait a minute. Put x is equal to a and y is equal to b in above equation number 2. So here we get z square minus 1 which is equal to 0, which implies z square is equal to 1, which implies z is equal to plus minus 1. Okay, so this is the complete integral. So z is equal to plus minus 1, which is singular integral, the envelope of two parameter family. Singular integral. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay,
सर ते प्रोसिजर लक्षात राहत नाही सर ते.
तेच की मग म्हणून तर प्रॅक्टिस करावं लागेल ना. हा डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन माझं हे का चुकतंय? कारण की प्रॅक्टिस नसल्यामुळे हा विषय मी कधी शिकवलाच नाही अजून. ओके, प्युअरली सब्जेक्ट माझा सब्जेक्ट अप्लाइड मॅथमॅटिक्स नाही आहे सहसा. ओके, प्युअर सब्जेक्ट असेल तर शिकवायला काय वाटत नाही. कॅल्क्युलेशन चुकत आहेत त्यासाठी तर प्रॅक्टिस करावं लागतं. ओके, म्हणून मी तुम्हाला चेक करा म्हणतोय माझं कॅल्क्युलेशन कुठे चुकतंय. ओके, सिंगल इंटिग्रल काढायचं असेल तर काय करावं लागेल, पार्शियली विथ डिफरन्शिएट पार्शियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए अँड बी, आणि आलेल्या 3 इक्वेशन मधून आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, एलिमिनेट करावं लागेल ए अँड बी. ओके, जनरल सोल्युशन करायचं असेल तर काय करावं लागेल, जनरल सोल्युशन म्हणजे काय, एनवलप ऑफ वन पॅरामीटर फॅमिली, म्हणजे एकच पॅरामीटर दिलेला असेल तिथे, मग तिथे काय करावं लागेल, फक्त पार्शियली डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ए करावं लागेल आणि दिलेल्या आलेल्या 2 सोल्युशन मधून काय करावं लागेल, ए एलिमिनेट करावं लागेल. ओके, कम्प्लीट इंटिग्रल म्हणजे काय असेल, जेव्हा मॅट्रिक्सची रँक 2 येईल आणि दिलेल्या एक सोल्युशन आलेल्या सोल्युशन मध्ये किती सोल्युशन ॲटमोस्ट किती हे पाहिजे, कॉन्स्टंट 2 कॉन्स्टंट असायला पाहिजे. तर त्या सोल्युशनला काय म्हणतो आपण, 2 पॅरामीटर फॅमिली, असं लक्षात ठेवा तुम्ही. ओके, आणि एक्झाम्पल देईन की मग एक्झाम्पल भरपूर देईन, सॉल्व्ह करा तुम्ही. ओके,
Yes, sir.
सो दिस इज दी सिंग्युलर इंटिग्रल. प्रॅक्टिस करावं लागेल, अप्लाइड विषयाला तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस केल्याशिवाय काही अडचण नाही. ते समजून घेण्यासारखं काहीच नाही, फक्त तुम्हाला जेवढं प्रॅक्टिस करताल तेवढे कॅल्क्युलेशन तुमचे सहज होऊन जाईल. ओके, सॉल्व दिस एक होमवर्क. Show that same example, x minus a bracket square plus y minus b bracket square plus z square is equal to 1 is complete integral of 1 plus p square plus q square into bracket z square. Okay, z square is equal to 1, complete integral of this pd by taking, now b is equal to a. Okay, show that the envelope of the subfamily is x minus y bracket square plus 2z square is equal to 2. Okay, which is a particular solution, which is particular solution. Okay, solve करता है. Okay, any doubt in this lecture? काही डाऊट असतील तर विचारू शकता. आहेत का काही डाऊट्स?
हो sir.
ओके, सो व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला यूट्यूबवर मिळणार नाही, जे प्रेझेंट असतील त्यांचाच फायदा होईल. ओके, रेकॉर्डेड व्हिडिओ यूट्यूबला येणार नाही.